Hi beautiful ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the good conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection of top shirts and blouses. So in this video you will be find out most demanding and trending ideas of designer styles, floral printed styles, chiffon fabric, top shirt designs for ladies and girls. So you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. You will be find out shirt designs, you will be find out peplum style designs, wrap style designs, straight cut designs, and ruffle work styles, frill styles within different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of top shirts and blouses. Today I have collected for you in this video. So you will get new ideas and new designs of trending top shirts and blouses. Different neck designs, different sleeve designs, half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless top shirt designs. You will be find our chiffon fabric designs, cotton fabric, georgette fabric, silk fabric. So must try these styles of top shirts and blouses with jeans and skirts. So they're looking so stylish, so stunning. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of top shirts and blouses. Mostly you will see Korean styles top shirts and blouses in this video. Tunic top designs, short top designs, shirt designs for your party wears, for your casual wears, for your daily work wears. Even if you are college going or university going girls, you will carry these styles of top shirts and blouses with your jeans. So amazing idea, so amazing collection. I love all these designs of top shirts and blouses and I hope so that you will love these too and you will enjoy this video, you will love these designs. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of top shirts and blouses, so please dear ladies and girls, do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. So new people get new ideas and new designs. And please do like my video. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video and how was these designs of floral printed style summer wears, top shirts and blouses for ladies and girls, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so much share your opinions in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dresses, maxi dresses, skater dresses, midi dresses, office work wear dresses for ladies and girls. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel, so must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs from those videos, so must watch video. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, and for more designs. So as you can see, most demanding and trending ideas of top shirts and blouses with different colors and different styles and different designs, ruffle work styles, frill styles, peplum styles, straight cut styles, top designs. I love all these designs and I hope so you will love these too and you will enjoy this video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. Enjoy the video till the end.